Good job.
Hello, Lynn. Good evening. Can you hear teacher? Okay, so Lynn, congratulations for a job well done in your exam. Okay, have you seen your score? Okay, you got perfect in both listening and reading, but then in speaking, there was only one mistake, very short mistake, Lynn. Okay, it's just very short or small, which is all about grammar, okay, and how you say the sentence. But then, you would be able to overcome that later on. I know you can do that. Okay. So, Lynn, welcome to Movers. So we finished already all the lessons in the starters. So we will now go to Movers. Are you ready for the Movers activity? Ready? Okay. So here we go, Lynn. This is the Movers
Hop.
activity. Please
Skate.
read. First word we have hop. Next,
Skate.
skate. Next is
Skip.
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 Okay, do you understand these words? Hop, skate, and skip.
Skate and keep.
Okay, you understand these words? You know this?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's move now to the next word.
Walk.
What's the first word?
Walk.
Okay, correct. That's walk. Next. What?
Jump.
Jump.
Jumped. Correct. This one. What's this?
Dance.
Dance.
Okay, you know these words?
Yes.
All right, perfect. This one, what's the first word? We have
Run.
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 Next,
Roller skate.
roller skate.
Roller skate.
And last word is,
Ice skate.
okay, you understand these words?
Yes.
Ice skate.
Okay, run, roller skate, and ice skate. Okay, now here, Lynn, where we have here the word or the grammar present continuous. Okay, we use present continuous for action happening now. So if let's say, for example, right now, Lynn, we are studying, or you will say, Lynn is studying. Okay, so the subject there is Lynn. Then the verb is, because Lynn is only one. And our verb study, but since you're still doing the action now, we add ing. Lynn is studying. Oh, okay. Example, teacher Jessa and Lynn are studying. Okay. We use is, and are for the be verbs. Now, Lynn, could you please read what are the examples, the three examples? My mother.
My mother is cooking at the kitchen.
2. Next.
My mother isn't cooking at the kitchen.
And
Is your mother cooking at the kitchen?
very good. So the last one is a question. The verb we use here, Lynn, is cook. But since it is in the present continuous, that's why we add ing. Okay? We use is, isn't, and is your grandmother mother cooking, because the action is happening now, present, at this time. Okay? That's the explanation of that. Now here, Lynn, here there are what we call this, there are what we steps or things that we have to remember in the spelling of the ing form. Most of the time, Lynn, most verbs, you just simply add ing, like cook, cooking, add, adding, play, playing, jump, jumping. Oh, but then, Lynn, if the verb ends with letter E, what do? We remove the E and add ing, like make. The word make here ends with letter E. What do? we get the E and add ing. Oh, have, we remove the E and add ing. Let's say, for example, in skate, I will write skate. Example, skate. Oh, the spelling of the word skate ends with E and we change it to ing. It's called skating. Oh, understand? Okay, now here, Lynn. But if the verb ends in a consonant, a vowel, and a consonant, we double the consonant and add ing. For example, let's say, for example, get up. We have consonant, vowel, consonant. What do? We double. Sorry. It's not that. Sorry. Okay. Example in get. Get is a verb. It's an action word. The word get ends with a consonant, vowel, consonant. What do? We double the consonant and add ing. Example, begin. The last letters of the word begin is consist of a consonant, vowel, consonant. What do? We double the consonant and add ing. Do you understand? These are the
Yes.
steps on how to change the spelling of the given word. So careful with changing its spelling. Okay, so here we go. Lynn, I have here 7 verbs. Hop, skate, skip, run, dance, jump, and walk. I want you to change the word or change the spelling and add ing. Okay? Understand?
Yes.
Okay, go, Lynn.
John minutes.
All right, Lynn, please read, Lynn, your answers. Hop.
Hopping.
Next.
Skating. Skipping.
Next.
Running. Dancing. Jumping. Walking.
Okay, let's check your answer. So we have here hop is hopping, correct. Skate is skating, correct. Skip, skipping is correct. Run, running is correct. Dance, dancing is correct. Jump, jumping is correct. And walk for walking. Look at that, Lynn. You're able to use your knowledge about how to change the spelling if in this word of these words to form ing form of verbs. Okay. Now, Lynn, let's have this one. Now, as you can see here, Lynn, there are children in the picture. How many children can you see in the given picture, Lynn? How many? There are
There are 9 children in the picture.
okay, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 children in the picture. And what are their names, Lynn? Can you tell me their names?
It's
They
May,
are May, Eva.
They are May, Eva, Sue, Dan, Chan, Pat, Chet, Sue, Sam.
Okay, so here, let's try to find out this one. Now here, Lynn, look at this boy. What is he doing?
He's dancing.
Oh, this one, the boy. Here, the boy. He is. This one, Lynn. What is he doing?
He's laughing.
Okay, correct. He is climbing. Very good. And here, what's she doing? Look at the picture. What is she doing?
He's
She
skipping.
Okay, very good. She is skipping. Now here, how about this one? What are they doing?
Running.
They are they running?
They
They are
running.
walking. Again, what are they
They are
doing?
walking.
Okay, they are walking. All right, so here, Lynn, let's have listening activity. You're going to listen and draw lines. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
One A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay, do you want to check it or you want to listen one more time? What is it, Lynn? Are you ready to check it? No. Okay, let's check. Let's check your answer now. Ready?
Some again.
I'll listen again. Sorry. Okay.
1A. Watch us. We're moving. Listen and draw lines.
Jack's good at jumping. He's really great. And look, Sue's hopping on square number 8. Can you see Jack? Can you see Sue?
Yes, I can. Sue's dress is blue.
Jane's roller skating. She's going round and round. And watch Sam skipping in our new playground. Can you see Jane? Can you see Sam? Are you looking?
Yes, I am.
Dan's good at dancing. 1, 2, 3. And there's Pat. He's funny. He's climbing our tree. Can you see Dan? Can you see Pat?
Yes, I can. Pat's wearing a hat.
Tom's very good at running. He runs all day. But Jill likes walking and talking with her best friend May. Jump, hop, skate, skip, dance, climb or run.
We all love moving and having lots of fun.
Okay. Ready to check now?
Yes.
Okay, look at here. Let's check now your answer. First is, oh, look at here. Jack. Oh, look at here, Lynn. Jack is jumping. Okay, next. Sorry. Okay, next. Sue is the girl hopping. Where is it? Oh, there is Sue hopping. Next. Jane is roller skating. Correct with Jane. Next. Fourth is Sam, the skipping girl. Where is Sam? Oh, there you go. Skipping girl. Next. Dan is a dancing boy. There you go. That's not Jack, that's Dan. Pat is the boy climbing the tree, correct? And 7, Tom is the boy running. Oh, very good. So, Lynn, look at here, Lynn. You got some mistakes, okay? You just got few mistakes. You just got few answers here. So, careful, Lynn. All right? So, careful. Don't answer fast. If you're not sure with the answer, you can ask teacher to repeat the audio. And we have here, Jill are the girls walking and having that's clothes. And then May is walking with letter M. Okay, there you go. So here, Lynn, I have here this one. So these are the things, grammar. Okay, what are you good at? Okay, Lynn, if we say what are you good at, these are the things that you can do it properly. You are very good in here, okay? Lynn, what are you good at, Lynn?
I was swimming.
Oh, I am good at swimming. Oh, very good. You are good at swimming. How about what aren't you good at? Things that you are not good at. I'm not good at.
I'm not
What are you not good at, Lynn?
supposed as drawing.
Oh, drawing. What else? What else? Things that you are not good at.
This
Again?
shop.
Ah? Drawing and one more. What is it, Lynn? I'm not good at drawing and the other one? Only that? Only one? Okay, only one. Next, here. How about Lynn? What do you like doing or what do you love doing? I love to
Badminton.
I love to play badminton. Again, I love
Badminton.
Okay, I love badminton. Okay, very good, Lynn. So those are some questions we have here. Now, Lynn, please enter again to the Zoom class, Lynn, so you'll have more time in answering. Okay? Enter